Once you have it all pinned down, we're going to cut it out. So you cut right along our pattern. The seam allowance is already in the pattern. We're going to be using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, not a large seam allowance. And just cut it around as close as you can to the pattern. Making sure that you're cutting through all thicknesses. And also making sure that your fabric is flat on both sides. Okay, and that's what it looks like. And we'll cut out the ear. Now I need one more set of ears, which I'm going to cut out of this pretty floral fabric. So I'll remove the pattern and I will choose where I want to pin my ears on there. I want to get a little bit of this brown color flower because that's the color of our horse. And just pin that on like that and cut it out the same way. There you go. Now we have 4 ear sections. Okay. And 2 head sections. Next, we'll be preparing the mane of the horse.